The fertilizer in the culinary program's garden, and the fuel running a campus golf cart all started as used cooking oil from Kapi'olani Community College's kitchens. The campus processor takes in cooking oil and generates biodiesel and liquid glycerin as a byproduct. Biodiesel and glycerin are key elements of a sustainability project involving chemistry, culinary, and economics students that won the 2018 UH President's Green Project Award and $10,000. The chemistry students have already learned 6 different ways to test the biodiesel's purity and quality.
I really enjoy this project because it's a real-world application of what I learned in class.
Through a dual credit program, Kaimuki Christian School seniors Elise and Emily Kuaye are among the chemistry students working on the project.
I think it goes to show that you don't necessarily need millions of dollars in order to help forward the protection of our environment. What I'm hoping will come out of this project is just new ways for us to be more sustainable.
The chemistry and economics students are also researching uses beyond fertilizer for glycerin such as soap, candles, a degreaser, and cosmetic and Hawaiian medicinal uses.
We live on an island, so sustainability becomes very important. And I think teaching our students also about real-world issues is a very good thing.
The big hope is that the biofuel system will help other community colleges and communities become more sustainable.